How to change Google Play Store language. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change Google Play Store language. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the search bar at the top, and there you can simply type in language and search for it. Now here you can just select language and input. And now here, once you're inside this section, you can just select this language, and from here you can just select the language where you want to change it to. And now here, with that, you can just confirm it by tapping on OK. And here, with that, the language will be changed overallly, because there isn't any option inside the Play Store app to change the language. So here, to get that option, you have to go through the settings, and that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.